Black holes are one of the most mysterious phenomena in the universe, but scientists have been discovering more about them than ever before. In this video, we'll explore some of the latest findings from researchers around the world who are unlocking the secrets of these enigmatic objects, so buckle up and get ready to learn what we've discovered about black holes. From understanding their structure to exploring their role in galaxy formation and even finding signs of life near them, these new discoveries are sure to surprise you. And that's just the beginning. Join us as we uncover the mind-blowing revelations that await us in our quest to understand the unknown. 10. Black holes aren't empty. If you think that a black hole is just an empty region of space, then you'd be wrong. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, a black hole is actually incredibly dense. The matter inside a black hole is packed so tightly that it creates a gravitational pull so strong not even light can escape its grasp. In fact, the matter inside a black hole is compressed to such an extent that it forms what's known as a singularity. This is a region of infinite density at the center of a black hole where all the matter is contained. Therefore, it's safe to say that black holes are far from empty. Number 9. Black holes can be created artificially. While naturally occurring black holes are extremely rare, scientists believe that they can also be created artificially. One way this could be done is by using a particle accelerator such as the Large Hadron Collider to smash together two protons at near the speed of light. If the collision is powerful enough, it could create a black hole that would be just a few inches wide. However, this type of black hole would be extremely unstable and would evaporate almost instantly. Another way to create a black hole artificially would be to build a device that generates an intense gravitational field. If the gravitational field is strong enough, it could warp space-time enough to create a black hole. Currently, we don't have the technology to do either of these things, but it's theoretically possible. You may be surprised to learn that black holes actually have a temperature, but it's not something you'd notice with your body temperature. It's measured in millions of degrees Celsius. This temperature is due to a quantum mechanical effect called Hawking radiation, which was predicted by Stephen Hawking in 1974. According to this theory, black holes emit a faint glow due to the energy of particles that escape from their event horizon. The temperature of a black hole depends on its mass. The more massive the black hole, the lower its temperature. For example, a black hole with the same mass as the Sun would have a surface temperature of about 1 million degrees Celsius. However, a supermassive black hole with a mass of billions of suns would have a surface temperature of just 100 or so degrees Celsius. Despite this, the temperature of a black hole is still high enough to make it visible in the infrared spectrum. By studying the light emitted by black holes, scientists can learn more about their properties and behavior. This may sound like science fiction, but it's actually a real possibility according to Einstein's theory of general relativity. If you were to approach a black hole, time would slow down for you relative to someone who was far away from the black hole. This is because the gravitational pull of the black hole distorts space-time. As you get closer and closer to the black hole, time would slow down until it eventually stopped at the event horizon. If you were to cross the event horizon and fall into the black hole, time would continue to pass normally for you, but you would never be able to escape. This means that you could travel back in time by falling into a black hole, but you wouldn't be able to come back out. So if you ever find yourself near a black hole, watch out for time travel. Scientists have proposed a new theory that suggests black holes could have a fifth dimension that we can't see. This may sound far-fetched, but it could help explain some of the mysteries of black holes. According to this theory, black holes are actually wormholes that connect to other universes or higher dimensions. This could mean that there are multiple universes out there or that we exist in a higher dimension that we are not aware of. If this is true, it would revolutionize our understanding of the universe. However, it's important to note that this is just a theory and there is no evidence to support it, but it's an interesting idea that could potentially lead to some groundbreaking discoveries. Black holes can evaporate. Contrary to popular belief, black holes are not eternal. They can actually evaporate over time, although the process is incredibly slow. This happens due to a phenomenon known as Hawking radiation, which was predicted by Stephen Hawking in 1974. According to this theory, black holes emit a faint glow due to the energy of particles that escape from their event horizon. The larger the black hole, the slower the evaporation process. For example, a black hole with the mass of the Milky Way would take an estimated 10 to the 100th power years to evaporate. That's 10 quadrillion times the age of the universe. So don't worry too much about black holes evaporating anytime soon, but it is an amazing discovery that helps us understand the nature of these enigmatic objects. Black holes may create new galaxies. It may seem counterintuitive, but scientists believe that black holes may play a crucial role in the formation of new galaxies. This is because the immense gravity of a black hole can pull in large amounts of gas and dust, creating a dense cloud of material. This cloud of material can then collapse under its own gravity, forming a new star. Over time, this process can repeat itself, leading to the formation of an entirely new galaxy. In fact, scientists have observed several galaxies that have a supermassive black hole at their center. These black holes are thought to have played a key role in the formation of the galaxies, and may continue to influence their evolution. So while black holes are often seen as destructive objects, they may also be essential for the creation of new life in the universe. Black holes can affect human consciousness. It sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, but some scientists believe that black holes could actually affect human consciousness. This may seem far-fetched, but there is some evidence to suggest that it could be possible. According to some theories, black holes create a unique gravitational environment that can distort our perception of reality. This could lead to changes in our consciousness, such as heightened awareness or even out-of-body experiences. While this is still largely unknown territory, it is an intriguing idea that could potentially lead to new discoveries about the human mind. Black holes can bend light. Black holes are known for their intense gravitational pull, which can bend light and create a variety of interesting effects. This phenomenon is known as gravitational lensing and occurs when the gravity of a black hole distorts the path of light rays passing nearby. When light passes close to a black hole, it is bent towards the center of the black hole, creating a lens-like effect. This can cause distant objects to appear magnified and distorted. Gravitational lensing has been observed around several black holes and is one way that astronomers study these mysterious objects. It's also been used to discover some of the earliest galaxies in the universe. So while black holes may be invisible, their effects on light can help us learn more about them and the universe around them. Black holes may hold the key to life. It might sound crazy, but some scientists believe that black holes could actually hold the key to life as we know it. According to a recent theory, the supermassive black holes located at the centers of galaxies could be responsible for creating the conditions necessary for life to emerge. This is because these black holes are incredibly energetic and release vast amounts of heat and radiation. This energy could have provided the necessary conditions for life to arise on planets orbiting these galaxies. Additionally, black holes can also create a protective bubble around their host galaxies, shielding them from harmful cosmic radiation. This could have allowed life to evolve and flourish on planets within the galaxy. While this is still a developing theory, it's an exciting possibility that could change our understanding of how life began. These recent discoveries show just how much we are still learning about black holes. They are truly some of the most mysterious objects in the universe, and understanding them better can help us better understand the universe as a whole. So keep looking up and keep learning, because who knows what other secrets the universe might reveal to us next. Now it's time to hear from you. What do you think of these recent discoveries about black holes? Are you excited to learn more about them? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos about space and science. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.